Why are
Don't
they
you
here?
get it? Everybody's been raptured, Charles.
What
They're all
raptured?
gone.
What raptured?
Just like Papa said. He came. They're gone. We're still here. We're still here. What am I supposed to do now? I'm here, God, just like I told you I would be. I'm here. It can't be too late, God. I promised myself. If God got me home from the club last night, I was gonna get myself together. I swore I was gonna be in church today. I swore I was gonna get it right. It can't be too late.
Uppy lady?
Oh, God. God, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Don't leave me. I'll stop going. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my